Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can change your wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 17. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First thing what you want to do is open up your phone setting, because if you want to change your wallpaper, that's where you have to go. And scroll a bit down on your setting until you see this option called wallpaper. Once you see wallpaper, click on wallpaper. And once you click on wallpaper, over here just click on where it says add new wallpaper. Once you do that, it's going to show you this option. Now you can click on where it says photos at the top and choose one of your photos from your gallery as to put as a wallpaper. And if you don't want it, what you can do is just click on cancel at the top left. And what you can do is just click on, where it says featured at the bottom and just scroll. You can choose which customized iPhone wallpaper you want. So these are all pre-designed by Apple themselves, so you can choose whichever you want. So let's say I want to go for Unity. I can click on Unity and click on add at the top right corner and click on where it says set as wallpaper pair, and just like this I have done it. Now as you guys can see, my wallpaper has changed. So that's how you guys can change your wallpaper in iOS 17. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.